Hey, what's up? It's me, Richard, and I'm here for Tutors Jamaica. Okay, so this is going to be one part of the video, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to have the part for the using a laptop or desktop. But today, right now, I'm going to show you the students know how to use a tablet or a phone, right, a Android device to access Google Classrooms. Now, um, firstly, you should know how to install a app. So you go to the Play Store, right? And you're going to search for Google Classroom. So one of the things you're going to want is Google Classroom. All right, you search for Google Classroom and it says open here, but when you search for it, if it's not on your device, it's going to say install. Now I've already installed it in the interest of time. Also, you're going to want Google Docs. Google Docs is going to be very important as you're going to be needing this to do your editing your documents and whatnot in order to turn in your schoolwork. One of the other option that you will have is that you'll be able to print. You can print your document, do it physical, do it in the physical if that's convenient for you. Then using a scanner, you can scan back those documents, get a PDF, and then you can upload that. So Google Docs, but Google Docs is a soft copy. You'll be able to manipulate the soft copy. Now you're going to be using Google Classroom. So Google Classrooms. Now, before you use Google Classrooms, if you're using a Gmail account, then you can go into Google Classroom and then say try another account, right? And just select from the list of accounts. No, actually, you can just try another account and then add account, and then that will work, right? That will work. That will totally work. However, if you're using a ministry or a school issued email address that does not end with gmail.com, what you're going to want to do is come out of that, come out, and you're going to look for Gmail or Gmail Go, whichever one, and you're going to use that. You're going to go there, right? And this is taking just a little bit of time. Then you press this and you add account. Now, when you add the account here, then when you go to Google Classroom, that account will be available for you to use. So let me just take a quick break and I'll be just back in a second. All right, so I'm back. So I went to get just a little bit of information. Now, Google Classroom. So you open the Google Classroom app. Yep, and it's going. You say try another account. So normally you're gonna see this. So I'm going to use this account. And once you use that, it's going to still say try another account. Now, what you want to do is to press this plus here and say join class. Now, if you're using a government issued email address, then there's a very good chance that you won't have to join the class. Your account will already be associated with the class that you're supposed to be in. So then you'd enter the code, the class code. For example, in this case, 5HIJJAV, and this is the real class code. You can actually come into this class, right, where I'll be using this for the duration to teach you guys about utilizing Google Classroom and also various subjects that is related to actual school. So you can actually come there. Anyways, let's go through. We're going to say join, and this process should not take long. Yes, so once you have joined the classroom, so this is the Tutors Jamaica classroom. So we're going to do this assignment. So here in the menu, you can see classes, right? And this is the class. You can see calendar. So in the calendar, it will give you access to whatever upcoming events, like if there's a test coming up, or if there's anything of that sort. There's a test coming up, there's an assignment, there's something that we're going to do, a topic we're going to cover, and so you want to go and read, up on that topic. All of that will be in calendar. Now, to do. So the to do will show you work that is due. Done will show you work that you have completed previously. Right? So let's go back. Tutors Jamaica. So in case you're enrolled in multiple classes, then you'll see all of the classes there. All right. So archived classes will show you all classes that were archived. So no archive classes. When teachers archive classes, they will move here, so you can go back and see the classes. Classroom folder. This will contain files that are related to the classroom. So any schoolwork or whatever is given, that's where they will be stored. Settings. This will allow you to change certain settings. You can upload a photo. You can sync over mobile data, send email, class notification, all of that. So anyways, let's go back to the important thing, which is doing an assignment, right? So we want to execute an assignment, return the completed assignment, and then we also want to make corrections, and later we'll go and check grades. So let's go here. So we go, bam, this is the assignment. Now okay, all right, so there's an issue with the assignment. I should be seeing the actual assignment. Let's see the actual assignment. All right, let's see this one. I'm seeing the actual assignment here. I'm pretty sure that I did. All right, so let me just check one more time. All right, so there's the assignment. Now if you go here, you will be able to view the assignment. You'll be able to view it. You will not be able to do it. If you press this edit button here, you'll be able to make markings on the assignment. Right? That's not what you want to do. That's not what you want to do. You want to press this button here with this arrow, and it's going to open the document. Now, this is why I said Google Docs would be important, because it's going to open the document in Google Docs. Okay. All right. So this is mobile data. I'm actually doing this on mobile data. All right. So because this is a teacher's copy that we have open, we are only able to view the document. We are not able to make any changes. So we press close, and we go back to here. Now if you look below your work, then you should see a copy of the document. So you press that. If the teacher has done it right, then they should make a copy for each student. Right. So now you press the same button with the arrow, not even sure what you call that button, and it should open the document in Google Docs again. Right? Shouldn't take long. Okay, just a second. All right. Now this is your document, right? And so you'll see this pencil come right here. So you can press this pencil, and then you'll be able to edit the document. So let's see, error. All right. So now let's look at this. What time is 2020 on a 12-hour clock? So our answer is A, 2:20 p.m., B, 8:20 p.m., 8:20 a.m., C, 8:20 p.m., or D, 4:20 p.m. So what you do is, right where it says answer, that's where you put your answer. So A, right? All right. So this is my issue, right? After you put your answer A, it looks more neat, and it tells the teacher that yes, something has changed, because that's how our minds work. We don't always realize that yes, something has changed. So what you want to do is, when a teacher will put this underline where you would normally write something, but since we're not going to be writing anything, what you want to do is you want to delete that. That is not a must, but that's just how I think it should be done. So we say, what time is that? I'm going to go with C. All right, so I'm just going to go with some random answers here. Let's go with some very random answers, because I'm not going. You can actually go on, as I said, to class and actually do this assignment. So I'm not going to even. I'm just going to choose some random answers. Okay, so there's some random answers. All right, so I just want to answer all the questions. And I said just random answers. All right, so we're finished, right? We're finished putting in our random answers. So what we're going to do is we're going to press this arrow. Of course, you have the hamburger menu and you can do all of that, but you're going to press this tick, and that will save. Then you're going to press this X, and by pressing that X, you're going to close the program. So now if you look at your documents, right, of course it's going to be showing the old one. So you want to come out and then go back in, and it has not updated yet, but it should update. So come out. All right, let's go back in. Sometimes it takes a while to update, but trust me, okay. All right, so what we're going to do, I don't want to worry about that because I know that the settings, the changes have been saved. So we're going to check and in. One attachment will be submitted for math redo. Okay, so and in the assignment. All right, and the assignment is submitted. Now once the assignment is submitted, the teacher can go ahead and they can mark it, or they can do whatever. All right, they can tell you that you need to make corrections or whatever. But suppose you decide, hey, I think I made a mistake. What can you do? Well, you can press unsubmit. So once you press unsubmit, no, let's press and in again. When you go here, you will not be able to make any changes to your work because already handed in. So you see, now we can only view. So now it's just as if you're viewing the teacher's assignment, as I showed you earlier. You can view it, but you will not be able to make any changes. In order to make change, you need to unsubmit it. So you close it again. So if you want to make changes now, you need to unsubmit. And then once you unsubmit, you'll be able to use the same method to open back the document. While we wait for the document to open, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, invite your friends who are having difficulty using the program or the app, so they too can learn. Right? Leave a comment if you don't understand something. Leave a comment if you understand something. Leave a comment if there's something, if you have a question or if you want to understand something that I did not touch, then you can leave all of that in the comments below. Also, you can leave that in if you're inside of the actual classroom, you can send us a private message. So just a few more moments and this should be fully loaded. As you can see here, all of the answers are there. They're all the answers. Right. So that's looking like a lot of trimming. Okay, so now you can go back just like before and hit edit, and then for example, let's say B, let's say number 3, if school starts at that blah blah and you wanted to change this answer. Oh, I don't think that B, I'm not quite feeling B anymore, I think it's C. I can do that, C, and then scroll back up and press the tick, and my answers will then be submitted. Now after you have done that, you don't always ensure that you hand in your assignment. Your teacher won't be able to mark it, grade it, or anything until you hand it in. Alright, so that's basically how you use so I've showed you so far in this portion of the video how to use the app, how to sign in, how to find your classroom, how to execute an assignment, how to return the completed assignment, how to make changes. So give me a second, I'll go grade this paper and then show you how you would check what you do to check your grades. Okay, so I've gone through, I've marked the paper and I've returned it. So when you scroll up, you go into the assignment, you scroll up, then you will be able to see the grade that you were given. Like I actually did a marking on the actual paper, the actual assignment. I went in, used my pen and did a marking. So if the teacher did that, then you should be able to see this, which is a edited version, and you can see which ones you got correct, which one you got incorrect, right? And then you can see, you can check your grades and whatever. So if you wanted, you could actually, I think you should be able to go back, make more changes, right? You didn't get 100%, you should be able to go back, make more changes, and then submit with those changes. So that's how you go about using a mobile Android device to utilize Google Classrooms. All right, so there you go. So I hope this video up to this point has been helpful. I'm not sure if I'm going to do one long video. I'm not sure if this is going to be one long video or it's going to be a series of shorter videos. However, hopefully this video helped you, and leave a comment so you can go in and make your changes, and then finish, save the work, blah blah, resubmit and whatnot. Thanks for watching.